Hello, welcome to Language of Universe. In this video, I will explain what Napkin AI is, how to use it, why it is useful, and how we create visual from text. Basically, Napkin AI used to convert text into visuals. To do this, just search on the Google Napkin AI, click. After click on the first link, then you can sign in from here. So I already sign in, so I don't need to sign up again. I don't need to register again, right? So you can do, or you can register by using email. You can register directly from Google. After that, we'll click here. After sign in, there are three options. First one is paste, describe your idea and import your file. So you can convert your text into visuals by pasting the text. You can convert the text into visuals by describe your own idea. Then you can also upload the whole file and it will automatically convert into visuals. Here I will paste the text. So I will paste this text to actually I want to convert this text into visuals, right? So I created this whole text by using ChatGPT. You can also do this if you have idea about the if you want to check if you want to see what Napkin AI is. Otherwise, you can upload your whole file and it will automatically convert into visuals. After that, you will have to click on here. So it depends on the whole text. If the text is so long, so then it maybe it takes 30 to 40 seconds. Otherwise, it will convert within 5 to 10 seconds, right? So there are not they not only created one image, they created too many visuals, right? Here you can see mostly these type of visuals used in the research, used in presentation, also for the in business. Most interesting part is of these visuals you can edit the graph, you can edit the text, you can change the color. As if, for example, I want to change this description, so I will edit, I will delete, I will write, right? So I can do this same. So we can also change the color as well. So if I want to change the color, so for example I will select all this one, then you can change the color here, right? For example, I will click here and change the colors green, green, red, right? As you like, you can do same thing like this. So you can change the size. You can, for example, click on here. I will change the color like this one and this one, right? So same like for this one, this line, you can also change the color. Exactly, click on here and you can change the, let's say, yellow, so it becomes yellow, right? So this is very interesting graph. After that, you can easily download from here free of cost. You don't need to pay anything, you don't need to take any subscription. You can download in PNG format, SVG format, PDF and PPT, so whatever you want. So let's see, I will download in PDF format. Then I will click here, preparing the PDF document. Just wait a minute. PDF, if you download in PDF format, then definitely it will take a little bit time. Otherwise, in image, you can easily do like this is your image. You convert the text into visuals. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please don't forget to share, subscribe, and like. Thank you for watching.